Have you ever dreamt of a paradise that's yet to be discovered by the masses? In a world where some places feel overcrowded and overexplored, there's a unique allure to the uncharted. The thrill of discovery, the serenity of solitude, the untainted beauty of nature, all waiting to be experienced in hidden paradises. These are havens off the beaten path, islands less traveled, yet brimming with enchantment. So, pack your spirit of adventure, and join us as we unveil 5 islands you've probably never heard of but are absolute paradises. Island 1, the Perhentian Islands, Malaysia. First on our list is the tropical gem of the Perhentian Islands in Malaysia. Picture a cluster of islands where lush jungles meet pristine beaches, where the sand is so white it sparkles, and the sea is a stunning shade of turquoise. This is the Perhentian Islands, a haven of untouched beauty. Here, the wildlife is as abundant as the palm trees. Monkeys frolic in the trees while sea turtles glide through the crystal-clear waters. The waters around these islands are ideal for snorkeling, boasting an impressive array of colorful coral reefs and vibrant marine life. The vibe on these islands is laid back, a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of the mainland. Here, you have the freedom to relax, to immerse yourself in nature, and to disconnect from the outside world. Hammocks strung between trees beckon for afternoon naps, and the evenings are filled with the soothing sounds of the waves lapping against the shore. The Perhentian Islands, a tropical paradise that's waiting for your footprints. Island 2, São Miguel, Portugal. Next, we take you to São Miguel, the largest island in the Azores archipelago of Portugal. Imagine a land of striking contrasts, where lush greenery meets the raw power of volcanic landscapes. This is São Miguel, a place where nature reigns supreme. As the largest island in the Azores, São Miguel is known for its breathtaking scenery, with its verdant hills, azure lakes, and geothermal hot springs. But there's more to this island than its natural beauty. São Miguel is also rich in culture and tradition. The local cuisine is a gastronomic delight, with dishes such as cozido das furnas, a stew cooked underground by volcanic steam, offering a unique taste you won't find anywhere else. From the charming cobblestone streets of Ponta Delgada to the wild beauty of Cidades, every corner of São Miguel offers something to capture your imagination. São Miguel, a volcanic wonder that's a feast for the senses. Island 3, Yakushima, Japan. Our next destination is Yakushima, a remote island in Japan. This island is a haven for adventure seekers and nature lovers, nestled in the heart of the East China Sea. Yakushima is home to ancient forests that whisper tales of times long past. These majestic woods are a living testament to the island's rich history, with some cedar trees dating back thousands of years. In this island paradise, you'll find a treasure trove of diverse wildlife. From the Yakushima macaque to the Yaku deer, the island's inhabitants add to its unique allure. But what truly sets Yakushima apart is the unique experience of hiking through its moss-covered trails. Imagine embarking on a journey through a verdant labyrinth, where every turn reveals a new marvel of nature. This island is not just about its natural beauty. It's about the experience of merging with nature, feeling the heartbeat of the earth beneath your feet, and understanding the intricate balance of life. Yakushima, where nature's old-world charm meets the modern world. Island 4, Mulj, Croatia. Now, imagine a place where greenery meets the sea, that's Mulj in Croatia. Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, Mulj is a lush emerald isle that's more than just a feast for the eyes. The Mulj National Park, a green oasis, is teeming with ancient forests, vineyards, and olive groves. It's a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Then there are the 2 saltwater lakes, Veliko and Malo Jezero, which are a sight to behold. Their tranquil turquoise waters are surrounded by dense forests, offering a serene environment that's perfect for those seeking peace and quiet. But Mulj isn't just about nature. The island is also home to a rich culinary scene. The local wine, made from Playback Mali grapes, is a must-try. And let's not forget the goat cheese, a delicacy that's as unique as the island itself. Mulj, an untouched haven where Mother Nature is the star. Island 5, Utila, Honduras. Our journey continues to Utila, a diver's paradise in Honduras. Nestled in the Caribbean Sea, Utila is a gem that's largely undiscovered by mainstream tourism. Its main allure? The affordable diving schools that make exploring the deep blue accessible to everyone. Here, you can learn to navigate the underwater world, surrounded by vibrant coral reefs and a diverse array of marine life. But the true star of the show in Utila is the chance to spot whale sharks. These gentle giants of the sea roam the waters surrounding the island, and coming face to face with one is an experience you won't soon forget. Beyond its aquatic allure, Utila is also home to a friendly island community. The locals are warm and welcoming, always ready to share a story or guide you to the best hidden spots. In Utila, the simple pleasures of island life merge with thrilling underwater adventures. Utila, where underwater adventures await. Conclusion: these hidden paradises, each unique in its own way, offer an escape from the beaten path. We have journeyed together across continents, exploring the unseen, the untouched, the unspoiled islands that exist as hidden gems in this world. First, we dipped our toes in the warm sands of the Perhentian Islands in Malaysia, where the turquoise waters whispered tales of tranquility. Then we hopped over to São Miguel in Portugal, a verdant wonderland where nature reveals its artistry in every nook and cranny. In Yakushima, Japan, we found ourselves amidst ancient forests, a testament to time's endurance. And in Mulje, Croatia, we discovered an island where legends and nature intertwine, creating an enchanting tapestry of stories and scenery. Finally, we dove into the vibrant marine life of Utila in Honduras, a paradise for those who seek to explore the world beneath the waves. Each of these islands, brimming with unique experiences, beckons the adventurer in us, urging us to step off the well-trodden path and embark on an exploration of the uncharted. They remind us that the joy of travel lies not just in reaching the destination, but in the discovery of new places, cultures, and experiences that enrich our lives in ways we never imagined. So, pack your bags and set sail for an adventure to these hidden paradises, the islands you've never heard of.